Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and connecting to Wi-Fi. Power the TV and open the TV Plus app immediately. Don't waste time navigating menus. Sign in with your account or create one when prompted, and make sure to verify email if required. Once done, accept basic permissions like location for local channels. You're starting the familiar flow, so follow on-screen prompts and choose default preferences now so the app can load personalized recommendations faster. Now customize the service to match how you watch. Navigate to live and on demand to explore channels, use genre filters and search to find shows quickly. Add channels or episodes to my list so you don't hunt later. Adjust streaming quality in settings, choose auto for balance or pick 720p/1080p when bandwidth allows. Also set data caps if you're on metered connections. Make sure to enable notifications for new episodes, because that keeps your guide current without manual checking. To finish, run quick playback tests on 2 different channels and confirm audio-video sync. If streams stutter, first update the TV Plus app and your TV firmware. Updates often fix codecs and stability. If problems persist, restart the TV and router in sequence. For persistent buffering, switch to wired Ethernet or drop quality to 720p. This reduces bandwidth and stabilizes playback. Remember this troubleshooting tip. Firmware and app updates resolve most playback issues, so check them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.